What's your name?
My name is Anna.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from India.
How old are you?
I'm 22 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
What languages do you speak?
I speak Hindi and English.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
What's your hobby?
I like reading books.
Where do you live?
I live in Dubai.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have one sister.
What's your favorite color?
Blue.
What's your favorite food?
Pizza.
What's your favorite drink?
Coffee.
What's your favorite movie?
I like action movies.
What's your favorite song?
Shape of You.
Do you like pets?
Yes, I love cats.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.